Good morning, first grade. Welcome to Thursday. Today we have a lot of work to get done. We have some new concepts to look at, so let's get right to it. Let's start today with our days of the week. Get your fingers ready. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what day of the week we're on today. Yesterday was Wednesday. If yesterday was Wednesday, what does that make today? If yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Right. If yesterday was the 14th, that means today is the 15th. So my 15 will go on my calendar right here. I'm going to let that sit for just a minute. 15. Oopsies. There we go. It's the 15th today. And what year is it? It's the year 2020. All right, so today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, so what will tomorrow be? If today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. And Friday is the what day of the week? Is it the first day of the week? Is it the last day of the week? Is it the second day of the week? What day of the week is Friday? Well, if I don't know, I can go ahead, use my fingers to help me to count until I get to the right spot. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Friday is actually the 6th day of the week. Very good. Let's go ahead and write up our day. We said it was October 15th. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. 15th, comma, 2020. October 15th, 2020. Let's look at our problem of the day right away. This is something new, so I want you to take a good listen. If you have scratch paper, you can draw this out. Okay, whatever you need to do to help you to be successful with this. Savannah and Laval were playing a game. 5 more children joined them to play. How many children are playing the game now? All right, so let's reread that because it wants to know how many children are playing the game all together. It says, Savannah and Laval were playing a game. 5 more children joined them to play. How many children are playing the game now? Here's what I like to do. I like to draw things out because it helps me to see it better. So Savannah and Laval, here they are. They've got some curly hair maybe. They're playing a game. Okay? And they're having a good time. Then 5 more kids came along and they were going to play too. Okay? So we started with the 2, and then 5 more kids came to play. How many total kids are playing the game? Okay? How many children are playing the game now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how am I going to write that? How am I going to write that? Well, we started with 2. Then we added 5 more. And now we had a total of 7 children. 2 children plus 5 children equals 7 children. All right? We are in the month of October. I want you to practice saying October and spelling it out. The better you get at this, the more you practice, the easier it's going to be. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. October. And October is in this missing spot right here. Remember that October is the 10th month of the year. If you didn't remember that, you could count 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. What month comes after October? After October comes November. Okay, so after October came November. We are still in the month, or in the season of fall, excuse me. If we're in the season of fall, think about what starts happening in fall. It gets dark earlier. The temperatures start to drop. We start to see frost on the ground. Frost is when the air temperature and the ground temperature are not quite the same, and it freezes and leaves frost on the ground. Okay, I want you to look outside the window today. And what's the temperature look like? Is it cold? Is it warm? Is it hot? Is it cool? And then I also want you to think about what else is it like outside. Is it windy? Are the trees really moving around today? Windy, rainy, sunny, cloudy, snowy. All right. I want you to make sure that you have your sheet, your math sheet, because we need it. We need to look at the clock. What time does my clock say? Remember that when my minute hand is down at the 6, that means half past. Okay, so half past, and my hour hand is between the 12 and the 1. Remember, if it's between the 12 and the 1, that means it's going to be the one that's earlier. Okay, so it's 12:30. It's half past 12. You need to write 12:30 on your clock. 12:30. Okay, make sure you get 12:30 on your clock. Let's go ahead and take a look at our pattern. If we're looking at our pattern today, you see 10, 20, circle, triangle. 30, 40, circle, triangle. We would say this is a repeating and growing pattern again today. We are repeating and we are growing. What's repeating? What's repeating is the circle and the triangle. What's growing is the numbers here. Okay? Sorry, this is still lesson 29. So, 10, 20, circle, triangle. 30, 40, circle, triangle. What's happening with our numbers every time? They're increasing by 10. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and after I have two numbers, I have to have a circle and a triangle. Nice work. We are at lesson 29, so make sure on your calendar sheet that you see, that you write down lesson 29. Okay, lesson 29, and today we're starting at number 91. 91. So go ahead and put 91 in that first box. We're going to do a couple of these together, and then I'm going to give you a chance to write the numbers down, and then we'll check them. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Now it's your turn. You go all the way to the end of this first row. Go ahead, finish those up. Okay, let's check what you have. After 95 comes 96. Excuse me. After 96 comes 97, 98, 99, 100. Yep, you should have had 100. 100. Now if I go to my next row, I have to start with 101. And since it's 101, it's 101. 102. 103, 104. Now it's your turn. You go ahead and keep writing in the rest of that row. What's going to come after 104? Yeah, I love your concentration, first grade. Way to go. Let's check it. 105. If you didn't finish, that's okay. You just make sure you get these written in correctly so you're still practicing. 106. 107. 108. 108. 109. 109. And 110. Okay? And we're going to stop there for today. Also on your sheet, you have a spot at the top next to where it says the time. You have a spot for money. And today we are starting our look at money. So, I am going to draw out some money for you. I'm going to draw out some money for you, and you're going to tell me how much it is. Okay, so I have my box here. I have 2 dimes and 5 pennies. 2 dimes and 5 pennies. I'm still going to try to put a little bit of a box around there so I keep it straight. As you know, I like to write above it how much it's worth so that I make sure that I count by the right amount. And now, remember that dimes we have to count by tens. Pennies we're counting by ones. So let's count. 10, 20. Uh-oh, I have to count by ones now. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you're going to make sure that you write down where it says money, you're going to write down 25 cents. 25 cents. Okay, first grade, you did a lot of really hard work today. Please go ahead and make sure that this math meeting worksheet gets put into your red folder and that you're set to go for tomorrow. Have a great day.